Hi, it's Brian Thomas from the WKRC Morning Show. I do promote OdorXit Products. I am obviously paid to do that on my morning show, but I am an absolute believer because I have for the last, this is my 19th year in radio. I've used OdorXit Products since the beginning. They have solved so many problems around our house odor-wise. I could go on to a long-winded explanation, but my favorite example and illustration is much like it removes skunk spray from your dog who gets squirted by a skunk spray. Haven't had that, thankfully, but whatever the hell it is that Liam rolled around in a couple of times in the backyard that reeked, wipe the dog's head off, get the OdorXit product out, get it on a rag, rub it on his head, instantly gone. It's amazing. All the OdorXit products work that way. Smoke, mold, mildew, I don't care what you've got by way of odor, you're going to get a great result with OdorXit. I love the folks at OdorXit, and I want to congratulate them on 25 years in business. Locally, here in Cincinnati, owned and operated. Support the local company. Get your OdorXit products. You'd be glad you did. Go to OdorXit.com, OdorXit.com. You can order it online or use the search engine right there. They've got a search engine where you can find it where it's sold locally. And it is sold locally. There's like 4 places within a couple of miles of my house. But either way you buy it, you're going to be glad you did. They're wonderful people. And congratulations again to OdorXit on 25 years of success.